cucumbers.
And think what you want to think, but it's amazing when you start looking of where certain foods come from that you think, oh, cucumbers, that's like totally easy. There's like billions of acres of cucumbers that can be grown in America. 76% of the cucumber production in the world comes from China.
Yeah. So they can go up to 2 feet long. There's that long
American yard long, which we have grown, American yard long cucumber. And when we harvested it, it was literally about 36 inches long. And we peeled it. It had the flavor of a cantaloupe or muskmelon. It did not have like a cucumber flavor. It was a very sweet.
That's right.
Yeah, very sweet flavored, almost candy-like taste.
I can eat a lot of vegetables plain. But cucumbers, I cannot eat.
You got to add something.
Yeah, like dip them or put some salt on them.
But pickles itself, you could eat a jar of pickle. You know how many people in the world can't or don't have the concept to understand that a cucumber put in vinegar in a jar turns into pickles?
Yeah.
There's a lot of people that can't put those connections together.
Anyway, I would not eat a whole jar of pickles, but I could eat a couple pickles, you know. But yeah, cucumbers, I need to add something. They're just, I don't know.
It takes about 12 weeks from sowing the cucumber to the harvesting of the fruit.